So here we will now create another object which is like called VK instance. There we go, and we'll name it as instance. Okay. Before diving into the code, I want to explain before the terminologies involved in this lecture. So to explain those in detail, let's study that and let's see what it says and how it works. So let's do that. So we're here. Yeah. So here I'll provide this like once we are done with the lectures and everything, of course, I'll just provide this whole file in the description box and you can download that and you can use that later on if you just want aid in the concept, right? Okay, so what is instance? Well, instance is a Vulkan is just a connection between our application and the graphics driver. Yeah, we have a graphics driver, maybe NVIDIA control panel or NVIDIA driver or maybe AMD driver or like Catalyst, etc. We have a lot of drivers for graphics, right? And we have our application, like which we are working. This quite application which we are working with. So we are talking about this. So this is just a connection between these two things, right? And next stuff that is coming up in our way is instance extensions. What are these instance extensions? Well, instance extensions represent features that are supported by the um, Vulkan API itself. Yeah, like let me tell you, it is something like the Vulkan API itself doesn't have any windowing functionality. So to give it a windowing functionality, it means that we can draw stuff in pure Vulkan, but we can't just display it to the screen. So we can't see anything. Can't see anything. So just to see something on the screen, we need a windowing functionality, and which is not supported by the GLFW. So we need GLFW for that reasons. So GLFW helps us in that thing. So instance extensions are supported by Vulkan API, and these are some features that are supported by Vulkan API that the GLFW will fetch from it and will use them to display stuff to the screen. Now, I think I am enough clear, right? Okay, so once we have created the VK instance here like this, so we are just creating a handle to the connection between our application and the driver, right? So let's create another function over here, right? So I'll name it as void create or engine create man engine create instance. Yeah, and here we are. And just like using our traditional way of creating the definitions for here. Yeah, that's great. Now, let me tell you, in the init Vulkan engine function that we left empty, we'll create this, we'll call this function engine create instance like this, and we are good. Now, we'll just dive into VK application info. We have now everything is Vulkan is about is just filling up the structs. We'll write a lot of code, but most of the code will be like filling the structs and nothing more. So let's build up our very first structure. So VK application info and app info. This is all. This structure contains all information about our application on which we are currently working, right? So this is app info dot name dot first one is structure type. So we need to tell the Vulkan like which structure type we are working on. Since this is application infrastructure, so we'll just pass that into here like this VK structure type. Let me tell you, this goes same for all the structures. You will have to always pass the S type or structure type, and which will always be the same format like VK structure type, and then the name of the structure, this is application info. Application info. Yeah, this is done. Now, app info dot application name, which we'll call as graphics engine. You can name it anything you want, like this. Then app info dot engine name. I'll name it as graphics engine, maybe graphics. Just graphics is enough. and then app info dot, come on, man. API, we need application version, which is make VK make version, sorry, VK make version, and which will be um, it is minor and major and patch. So the first one is major version. I'll just call it like 0100. That's it. And app info note engine version. I'll also make it the same. VK make version 1 comma 0 comma 0. This also follows the same format, major, minor, patch. And then app info dot, come on, man, dot. We have API version, we have application version, we're done with it, and everything is done. In fact, this one is not done, is equal to VK API version, I think, is equal to VK API version. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. I'm going to use the 1.2 version. This is better. So this is all like, basically this is good enough. And here we go. Moreover, we also have another one. Like you can see this Phoenix, but this is optional. So we are going to leave this as it is. And here we are done with creating the application info. So I think time is completed, and we are done with 5 minutes. So we'll discuss the further the instance create structure in the next lesson.